Hi, I'm Samantha Cunningham, Zawilinski, and this week on Hard Facts, we're going to talk about testimonials. They are imperative for your product or your business, and over the last few weeks, I've been taking a look at many different verticals, and what I've seen is a red flag on how businesses have been utilizing testimonials incorrectly about their product or their service. How could you do testimonials wrong, you may be asking? Well, let's talk about that and dive into it a little deeper. When looking at testimonials, a lot of them are framed in this way. Potratz is a great agency. I love working with them, and their consulting services are awesome, right? And so we'll see that repeated for different businesses and different iterations, but ultimately the testimonial is about the business. Now, if you are a consumer or a business owner and you're looking for a product, a service, or a solution, sure, that is going to give you a little bit of confidence that that company is great and happy and good people to work with, but what is really going to persuade you and provide more of an impact? How about this testimonial? By making one small change in my business and focusing on coaching and consulting, I was able to increase my profits 15%. That is a better, more impactful testimonial to utilize in your Facebook ad on your website because, for example, if somebody was coming to our agency looking for consulting, they're looking to solve a problem. In many instances, that problem is business growth. So if our testimonials are focused on the solution we provide, we are creating that social proof that, hey, as business owner A and business owner B, we can both solve your problems. So take a look at the testimonials and the social proof you are using in your collateral. It's very common to see these as successful Facebook ads, but think about how much more successful they could be if the audience you were advertising to, you were talking about solving their problem, fulfilling their need, instead of the validity of your company. And so when you're thinking about how you're engaging customers for testimonials or you're gaining and getting quotes to use in your advertising, focus on the solution, the problem that you solved, or the benefit and technology maybe you even created for a company. That is going to essentially make those testimonials so much more powerful. That is going to fulfill the question of, is this going to work for me? Which is why people are looking at reviews. Hey, if somebody used this to solve problem A, will it solve problem A for me? Now, a testimonial focused on the solution is going to accomplish that instead of your company. So keep this in mind as you're creating your marketing strategy and diving into the utilization of testimonials and social proof. And that's it. That's this week's episode of Hard Facts. But if you've got a question on testimonials or an upcoming topic you'd like me to cover, I'd love to hear from you. So give me a call, shoot me a DM, or email us at hardfacts@ppadv.com.